So we do the end-to-end fleet management, booking to delivery, the fleet management, which will take care of the entire vehicle management, including the health. It saves a lot on, like, it also goes into the health of the engines to that extent, the route, trip management, the inventory management, of course, the order supply management, the spare parts management. I think it kind of has everything what we are looking in today's logistics environment. Now, of course, HRMS takes care of the driver recognition programs and the entire appraisals, appreciations, how a driver goes about his enrollment with the company, the progress of every individuals, everything goes there. CRM, yes, the customers, like any logistics business owner would really love to have repeated customers. So that is where CRM plays an important role. So you don't have to do anything. So it's kind of all customers are into this package. We can offer them the platinum card, silver card for their number of bookings. So you could really use something like what the airline gives you. So every individual business owner can personalize the customers, because everybody knows customer is the king. So customer has to have the longevity with the company. So we need to really keep updating, like kind of wish him on a birthday, anniversary. Everything is taken care by the system and you are not part of it. Now, some of the business advantages of the Frysol product we have seen from the testimonials of the customers is the individual needs of everybody has been taken care, be it the booking agent, being in the management, or be it the actual person who is coming for booking an item. There is absolutely a 0% leakage in any sense in terms of the fuel or in terms of the revenue. Earlier, at 300 locations, you have so many people, there are so many ways the revenue leakage can happen, so which I don't have to tell. People operating it definitely know. With this system, it's automated and you have no chance of any leakage on the revenue. Isolation of the problems. Where exactly is the problem, you immediately identify, you get the corrective actions done in that. Visible facts for executive decision making. And this is something very, very vital, because you have an executive dashboard which displays at the end of every day or every moment you call for, you know how many collections have been made or how many trucks have run, what is the total kilometers every day the trucks have been running. So you kind of imagine what all things you need. We could probably bring it for an executive management. And for an executive management, the basic data which is there available, and that's what they need to control the business, which enables them to tap the right areas and to pad the right areas. It gives the exemplary planning and execution, and of course there is no infrastructure, the server, like the server costs and other things, the licensing costs on a software and purchase of software, so everything is minimized. We take this product to the minimum operational cost. The usage cost in true sense, if you have to talk about it, we pitched it at ₹10 per hour for usages of this software. You need to believe this, that this service, an end-to-end, an ERP kind of a solution for a logistics solution, is being offered at ₹10 an hour for per use. It can scale, it has the scalability to any level, the usability, analytical capabilities around this product, the robustness, the automatic updates. The kind of people need not worry on what's happening on the technology. We are the technical people on that, so we know what's happening around the world on the technology. We keep updating the software, which indirectly is updated into your system. 24 hours technical support, and of course the training. The customers and the employees, through this product, you have a personalized approach. Privileges to special customers when you are taking the CRM package and offering them the privileged cards. The manual work reduction. One of the clients had come back to us. They told the productivity of an employee has increased 3 times. In true sense, he told the booking earlier was probably 60 bookings per individual per day when he was doing manually, and it got up almost to kind of around 150 with the same person using the system. So I think that's the best way to improve the profitability of the business. Time saver. So you have so much of time doing in paper and doing in system. A simple logic is you have a repeated customer, the data is already in the system. You just type probably his name and date of birth, so the entire information pops up. So you just fill in what is required. So you save a lot of time in that. The faster mode of communication. So you have a waybill generated, you have a tracking number, you do have a GPS in the system, you know where the truck is going, you have a RFID in the system, you know exactly, the customer will know where exactly my baggage is going. Elimination of human errors. So in this system, if a trucker stops somewhere for 1 hour, you get an indication because it's a real-time tracking, you know where the truck is. So if he's taking an unwanted halt of 1 hour, you come to know even at the 5th minute that the halt is there. So it gives owners a better understanding of the system. Training and support to the entire people who are in the organization. Now a small example of how the organization can go green, the paper use, because this customer whom we are talking about, who was spread at 400 offices all across India, they were totally using manual around 2 years back. And they didn't have the data because everything used to be emailed, so probably like the attachment was too big, some emails come, some emails do not come. So they used to do mostly by courier, so the informations were probably a week or 2-3 days late. Now, paperwork, where do they store the data? So this is the answer. When you are using this product, there is absolutely no paperwork in that, unless mandatorily for the audit you have to take some papers, but we would definitely not recommend it because we would really advise the audit section to really go ahead in automating their system so that we are clean on that. Because if you talk about the airways, you don't really now have to take any printouts. So in fact, e-ticket you don't have to take it in the US. So you just show on the mobile. In fact, when you go into the airways, you show the mobile. I think that's good to go. That's the environment which probably in 3 years in India should come. But Frisol is ready and our customers are ready on that. So if you just talk about the Go Green initiative which this product can bring about is, you kind of look at 1 lakh paper usage, which is going to save 2 trees. So roughly, it's also saving the trees, growing green, and you save kind of 75,000 rupees when you are actually saving 1 lakh paper. It's just a simple workflow on that product. So how easy is this product? It's kind of you log in, and we just leave it for you. Like 15 days is a trial period. You go in, you play around, you get back to us with any changes you need. Then once you are satisfied, then you are into the system. And you're not going to pay much for per user license. You're going to be paying kind of 2,400 if you're working 30 days, 8 hours. And we have a system, if you're not working Saturday, Sunday, it's not charged. So it is pay per use. It's kind of a revolutionary software thinking, I would say, which is aimed purely getting India into the technology. Like every user should not be deprived on the commercialization. That's what I meant, like having Mercedes-Benz for a Tata Nano. So for a 2-fleet operator, he definitely cannot go buy a robust software which has all these applications, which is going to cost a few crores. And here we offer it 2,400, so he fits in the data, which is very much within his capability. And we kind of pay back with all the advantages we are going to come out in this system. It's easy, it's simple and secure. So you just have to go, register yourself, play around for 15 days. If you're happy, get back, register into that, try it for a month. If you're getting everything up to your thinking, like your expectations, it's really matching to you, then the game is on. Finally, like since this was not part of my plan, so we are operating in the US in a big way in the trucking industry. So that's why probably most of the technology what we discussed today, one was the smart fleet. How we operate in the US is, in US the entire truck owners are signed up into a common accounting body. Now this accounting body issues a card which is issued to the trucking companies who sign up for that. So if I sign up for that common accounting company, I am issued with whatever number of cards I need. So I have 10 vehicles, 12 or 15 drivers. I take 15 cards from them. I kind of issue this, and I am given the login, and I can feed the money into this card. So as an owner, I control the amount which is put in the credit card. You can say a cash card or a credit card into the system, and I issue it to the driver. He travels from Toronto to, for example, San Francisco. It's going to take almost 12 days, and it's really a long journey. And sometimes if it is actually gets stuck because of repair and other works, there's a huge cost involved. So what happens in this case is the driver, when he goes to any place, he pays the toll, he has his whatever meal, and he spends on petrol. So everything is used through these cards. So what he does is he uses this card, and on usage the bills are either faxed, or the card has an online control which the operator knows, okay, now this is where he has had his breakfast, or this is where he has filled in the petrol. This entire integration of the software was done by us for the common accounting pool. So it's kind of, in US we do have the real-time tracking of trucking industry and all that. And exactly going on the fuel saving, so this application, if we start using it, you kind of know when and how the petrol is being filled. You have a fuel indicators on the RFD, so exactly how much of gallons the petrol has been filled, because we need to know how much the petrol is filled, so you're updated on that. The mileage automatically comes in, the health records, so it pops up when it's due on a servicing. So all that facility is incorporated. Now this is a baby to me, like this product has to evolve, now it has to grow. There are so many facilities we could look at, like something like what we have done in the US, maybe we can probably implement in India. So the idea around Frizol is to enable Indian logistics domain, which is a $150 billion industry, which employs 50 million people across India, to really get the benefit of software, which should not be limited by the pricing. So overall, Frizol is here to help the entire logistics domain. The technologies, new technologies are quite common, but new thinking is quite rare. To me, Frizol is a new thinking with a new technology. Thank you.